Advice: Mkevi 20ft White Ghost Sky Air Puppet Dancer Inflatable Arm Flailing Tube Man Wacky Wavy Wind Flying Dancing Man for DIY Standout Halloween Advertising No 18 inches Blower Quick Overview. Standout Halloween Ghost Wavy Advertising 20 feet tall replaceable inflatable tube man, definitely going to catch eyes and attract some new people. Generic inflatable arm man. It's easy to add more styles to your inflatable ads. Size to fit all blowers 18 in diameter, however, is compatible with all Velcro mount blowers. **** Recommended blower power 1 to 1.3 HP. No blower included. Reusable Sky Air Puppet Dancer, high-strength polyamide nylon silk added tarpaulin, parachute-like, non-rip, more robust and easy to clean. Reuse to maximize your benefits. Wavy Man everywhere. Wacky Wavy Man is an innovative promotional product perfect for your business, trade show, sporting event, grand opening, blowout sale, event, or party. Snap it up! DIY and custom dancer. My God, your thoughts dance in the air. Hurry up, DIY your dancers or contact us. Let us help you customize. We have great customer service in our own factory. The 20 feet inflatable tube man fly guy Sky Air Puppet Ghost Dancer Wavy Man attachment is a brightly colored advertising product that's going to increase foot traffic and revenue for your business or event. You'll find the curious stop and gravitate to your establishment. Rip resistant and UV resistant, this advertising product is made to work hard and last long.